Hi, I'm Benedict. I'm a podiatrist at East Coast Podiatry. Today I would like to talk about SAF personnel and lower limb problems faced by them. As a clinician, I do see a lot of SAF personnel coming in for lower limb issues. Majority of these problems are like knee pain, shin splints, and heel pain. One of these common injuries I see is like knee pain, and all this normally occur during IPPT when most people try to push themselves to the limit, trying to achieve the results that they want. Most of the time, these guys do not know their own physical limits. I served as a medic with the Singapore Navy many years ago. What I didn't realize at that point of time was I myself has flat feet, and because of that, I am now currently experiencing pain in my lower limbs. I was doing the SOC and I fell down during the apex ladder, and because of that, I've injured my left knee. And this triggering factor results in pain in my left knee and it's been persisting for so many years. Now, as a podiatrist myself, I now, in a way, manage my own condition, and that's through the use of the insoles, which I use on a daily basis. So this is my insoles, which I wear. Without this insole, I do experience knee pain on my left knee. It normally gets quite bad if I run. My advice to you would be, do not overexert yourself. Just rest and know where your body limits is. Do not over push yourself, and because this might result in more physical injury. Do a proper stretching before you do any physical activities, so such as your IPPT and your SOC. Try to allocate at least about 15 to 30 minutes of stretching, warm up, and also cool down. This will help the muscles to be more relaxed and not as tight during those activities, because without proper stretching, it could result in further injuries. I would recommend is, if you find that the pain is still persisting, make sure you seek professional advice, see a podiatrist. SAF personnel out there who's currently experiencing pain, my advice, do not hold it on for too long. Do seek medical help if you find that the pain is getting worse or is persisting.
For more information on related conditions, check out our other videos.